Let me just give you a hint. The story is about an animal who has a big trunk and is big in size. So, can you now guess? Right. The story is about an elephant and his friends. This story is written by Bernice Fletcher, and this story I am going to narrate you, but in a different style. Yes, I'm not only going to narrate you, but I will show you the story in my theater. So this will be a shadow play. So will you guys join me? Let's get started.
Once upon a time, there was a jungle. A lone elephant was wandering in the forest. She was looking for her friends. Oh dear, I have no friends in this jungle. What will I do? Then, suddenly, she sees a monkey and she asks him, "Will you be my friend, monkey?" "What? You're talking to me?" Let me just think. Can you climb on trees? No, I can't climb on trees. Oh dear. First of all, you're too big. And second, you cannot swing on trees as I do, so I cannot be your friend. Said the monkey and went away. Then she became sad and started walking. Then she came across a rabbit. She asks him, "Will you be my friend, rabbit?" Let me think. Can you dug a hole like me? I can't dig a hole like you. Sorry, you cannot be my friend, said the rabbit, and he went away. Then the elephant became so sad. Is this my fault that I'm so big? She started walking again, and she met a frog. She asks him, "Will you be my friend, frog?" The frog said, let me think. Can you jump like me?" I can't jump like you. Then I'm sorry, but you cannot be my friend, elephant. And he also went away. Then she started walking. Then she met a fox. She asks him, "Will you be my friend, fox?" And he said, "You are not clever like me, nor you can run fast like me, and you are too big." As he was saying these lines, suddenly all the animals in the forest were running in fear. "Run, run, run!" The elephant stopped the rabbit and asked him, "What is happening?" He said, a lion has been attacking all the animals." The elephant, you should also run. The elephant wanted to save the other weak animals, so she decided to meet the lion. So she went to the lion and said, "Please, sir, leave my friends alone. Do not eat them." The lion didn't listen and said, "Ha ha, mind your own business. I'm gonna eat them all." Seeing no other way to solve the problem, the elephant kicked the lion and scared him away. She then went back to the others. And told them, "You don't have to worry now. I have solved the problem." "But how?" said the frog. Actually, I kicked him, and now he's scared of me. On hearing how the elephants saved their lives, the animals agreed and said, "You are just the right size to be our friend." And then the elephant became so happy, as now she has so many friends. So this is how the story ends.
Last wala